When working in rounds, first of all, I would advise you to mark the end of your rows using a stitch marker. And if you don't have any bobby pins, work great. So basically you put the stitch marker on the last single crochet in the magic ring, and then each time you reach the stitch marker working in rounds, you remove it and you place it back on the last stitch of your round. So let's make an example now working single crochet in rounds. So we already know how to make a single crochet. We are just going to make them working in rounds in this way. And I will just show you a few in this way. So now I'm making one round of single crochet. Here I'm almost at the end. Oh. Hello yarn ball, nice to meet you, but I want you to stay out of the frame. So now I've almost completed my round of single crochet. So you see I reached the end of the round, which is marked by my stitch marker. I remove the stitch marker, I make my last single crochet, and then I put the stitch marker back. So this is how you work in rounds of single crochet.